Okay, we have the Engstler battery operated Quartz Cuckoo, the 48110 QMT. Quartz musical, and the T means dancer platform in German, Tanzer or something. So this is the sound of it. Not including the measurement of the weights. Tip of the bell tower to the bottom of the wood carving. The front's about 17 inches. And widest point 15.5. Deepest point runs about 8 inches. So on the hour it'll play. This is a recording of a real cuckoo bird too, and it's another one returning the call back to it. So we have 12 different melodies on here. It'll sequentially go through the 12. We do have a nighttime shut-off automatic with a light sensor, so it has to be very dark and it'll turn off the music and the cuckoo. And it'll play the next melody in the 12 next hour. Opens its beak and flaps its wings. And all wooden. Split shingles, wood hands, wood dial, wood case, wood train, wooden weights. And there's volume control, the auto night shut off, and you can also turn off the music and just have the cuckoo if you don't want music. 4-year warranty through our shop here. We double it. Normally it's just 2 years. Thank you very much.